My apologies for the mess. I was asked on the channel by a viewer what rubber keeper I will recommend for the pencil carabiners, but at the end of the day for any carabiner, right? When you want them to stay still in one place. Now, it is a real need. I got into trouble myself with the Ypsilon, the carabiner where going rounds, and I needed efficiency and predictability. Because of that, I ended up using rubber keepers for the carabiner. I bought a bunch of them from internet. Now I don't remember from where and what is their name. It might be from Kong. They usually have this type of stuff. It might be from them or similar. And they do the job. It is a bit hard to put them in place. This is how I did them. Practically you put the lanyard. Give me a moment. Let's see with this lanyard here and this other carabiner how it will work. You put them like this. This is quite a thick lanyard. I expect the rubber to almost not get in because of the thickness of the lanyard. So you put the lanyard in like this, and then you go through this hole through the lanyard and this other hole of the rubber until it gets there. And now you have a mess here, and you have to, again, this lanyard is quite thick and wide, will get us into trouble. Let's see if I can somehow make it stay nice and clean. Let's see. I'm almost there. I don't know for how long the rubber will last under such pressure. Hopefully for a while. And now we have it. This is hold the carabiner hold in place, which is quite nice for this lanyard here. It becomes nice, a predictable resting system, right? I have from old Petzl Via Ferrata sets, I have this system, this rubber. I don't think you can find them on the market to buy. Maybe Petzl sells them. I didn't see them, but maybe they do. They're quite nice because they provide a lot of space and makes it way easier to fit in the carabiners. Now I have it. It's done. This will be probably the best out there. And it stays. It is easy to fit in and out. This is the big advantage of the Petzl rubbers. I didn't see them on sale, but if you find them, they will be very good. Easy to fit. This is the idea. I don't remember from where I have this one. I have this one, almost identical with this one. Same as this one. These ones I don't remember from where I have them, but they fit a different purpose. I have this one here at hand from Kong. If you want the carabiner not to, because if we take this out, let's see if I can take it out. 10 minutes later, I'm almost there. It is out. So, for example, with this type of descender, if you put it like this, it will bounce all around, and maybe you want it to stay into a position. For that to happen, you use this type of rubber, which is these ones here. I have a couple of them. Let me see if there is a key for this side here. I don't see any. Okay, good. So we put it back, and now with a carabiner we know it will stay fixed on position. So this is why we have these types here. These are from Petzl, this is from Edelrid. Let me show it to you. Let's see, yes, I'm the right way. So you fit the carabiner in, and then you push the rubber through the carabiner. Again, there are They're quite hard to squeeze in. Come on, 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 come on. It is going almost there. And now it will no longer, the carabiner will no longer travel onto the pencil connector just. So yes, this is the purpose of the rubbers. I use these ones. I will check and see from where they are. I will write it in the description. It really doesn't matter from where you buy them. If you are lucky enough, it is good quality. If not, will not last for too long. Buy a couple of them. Now, to my surprise, these ones lasted for quite a while now, a year, and never changed them. I think more than a year when I started using them. So yes, they do last. Who knows from where I bought them. I see on internet Kong sells quite good looking rubbers. Then Edelrid has as well, and they look quite similar to the Petzl rubber stoppers. For lanyards, Okun, they have something similar to what I have. So yes, you can definitely find them. I hope this helps.